Hi, my name is Shazib, and this is my final project for EECS using Arduino and Java. This is the setup for the Arduino water integration plant system. We have the moisture sensor connected right over here to sense the value of the moisture, the pump, and then the MOSFET kit that controls the moisture sensor, the pump. So, to do this demonstration, we'll run the code, and the code senses the moisture sensor to be dry, and then it sends a signal to the board to turn the pump on. So we can start the program, and as you can see that the sensor is gonna pick up the moisture is dry, turn on the pump, and start watering the plant. As soon as the plant is wet, you can see that the pump turned off and the water has turned off because of the moisture being wet. For CL01, I tested and debugged the system using JUnit tests to check the working moisture sensor and the accuracy of the soil state. The test confirmed the moisture reading and that the moisture value was returned correctly, as well as using a multimeter to test the values of the moisture sensor as well. For CL2, I used a graphic technique by using the Princeton library and then using the OLED display to display real-time data on the Arduino board and as well as on the graph. For CL3, storing data, I used array lists that stores sensor data reading over the time. This helped me to plot the moisture data on the graph and helped me effectively manage the visual and sensor data. For CL04, the system was designed as an event state machine with the moisture sensor activating the actions of turning on and off the pump. I used conditionals and loops to handle events, as well as a button task which works as an emergency stop. For CL05, the system used object-oriented concepts like having the sensors detail in the different classes, extending the uses of using multiple classes, and also making the program adjustable and upgradable to add and change components.